Hello traders, in this video I want to speak about gold and I'll make a technical analysis on this pair starting from the monthly time frame down to the intraday time frame. So looking at the market from the monthly time frame, first of all we can see that from the $2,000 level we had a major breakout in this market. We see how price has been resisting this $2,000 level and then finally got broken to the upside, as we can see. So after the market got broken to the upside, we've been seeing series of higher highs and higher lows, okay, which we can see the first impulse move followed by slight correction, second impulse move followed by little correction that is only significant in lower time frame, and now price has picked another momentum around the area of $3,278 level, and it is now heading up. So the question is this the third impulsive wave in the market, since price is now finding a little support around this level? Are we likely going to see the third impulse move? So price is now finding support at this area. So the big question from the monthly time frame is whether we are going to have another wave from that support level of 3,200 psychological level. So let's first check the weekly time frame. Here from the weekly time frame, we can now see that yes, price is truly finding support around this level. We see from here all this move to the upside was created, price retested that same level, and now it is pushing to the upside. So we can also notice that from the weekly time frame, we are having some major break of structure. Okay, we've just seen that the market made a break of structure, okay, after finding support at this area. So after the market got broken to the upside, we usually know that a broken resistance usually turns support. That means price could retest to that same level before it can start to push further. If the market is to continue trading bullish, we have a high tendency of seeing a retest of the broken resistance which now turns support, because we see how the price has resisted here in the past. Also we can see how it resisted there, here, and right now it is broken to the upside. So the broken resistance can turn to support. So let's now check the daily time frame. Here from the daily time frame, what we can notice from the daily time frame is a strong impulse move. Okay, we can notice this strong impulse move, which if we measure the impulse like pattern from the lowest point to the highest point using our Fibonacci retracement tool, we see that yeah, this is the low and this is the high. And if we do that, we can see how the area of 60% Fibo retracement and 23% Fibo retracement are all lining up with the previous resistance level. We see from here all this move to the downside was created. Also from here, price declined, price tested it, declined, and around this level it also occurred, and right now we had a major breakout. So there is high possibility that we can get a slight correction back to the previous resistance level, at least for market to make some form of pullback, because we know that how the trend moves is in this way. After every impulse move, there is always a correction. After impulse move, there's always a correction. So if that is the pattern that the market moved, then there is a high tendency that after this impulse move that we've seen, there is likely to be a correction. So what we are going to do now is to monitor this asset for a time. It will change from intraday bullish as it is right now to intraday bearish, so that we can take advantage of this market. So what we are going to do is to monitor the H4 time frame, for a time it will shift from intraday bullish to bearish, so as to take advantage of this market. So we are looking forward to selling gold. Yeah, so that is the analysis on gold. Right, we are looking for a sale.